All right, I am installing the Cyron integrated urban headlights today on a 2012 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. So there are 6 body clips that hold the grille in. I'll be removing those. That will expose the headlight bezel, and then I'll be able to put the Cyron lights in. On these lights, I've already installed the adapter for it, and I've soldered on a wire for the daytime running lamp feature. So the body pins are fairly easy. You just pinch them, pull them up, and pull the centers out. And then that's all 6. You can see sometimes the black piece comes out with it. That's great if it does. Otherwise, just grab a little screwdriver and pop it right out. Once those 6 are removed, then you can gently pry back on the grill. And the body clips that you can see here just simply pop out of place. So you can disconnect the turn signals if you wish. However, I'm just going to leave it laying forward. It gives me all the access that I need. Then on the headlight, there are 4 small T15 Torx screws that you take out. The 2 lower ones are kind of hidden, but if you look at the bezel that holds the stock light into place, they're fairly easy to find. Once those four small screws are out, you can identify the bezel. Just set that aside. Pull the headlight out slightly. You'll see the connector for the bulb. It's got a safety lock on it. Push that back, push down on the connector, and the light comes out. I'm going to do the same thing for the other side over here. Remove the bezel, set it aside, slide the light out, push the red lock back, push down on the green tab, and slide the light out. Now I'm going to grab the urban headlights. And again, on that headlight, there is a red wire that's for the daytime running lights. I've already soldered a lead wire onto that, and they come with the adapter, so you can take it from the H4 to the H13. Very quickly, just slide this into the stock connector. Once that's in place, the lock goes back in. I'm going to feed my daytime running lamp wire through that I will hook up later. The headlights are indexed, and there is a DOT SAE marking on that. That will go up on top. And there's an indexing mark that fits into the stock headlight housing. Rotate the chrome trim ring so that it's properly indexed. And simply put the screws back in. Just snug them down. And move over and do the other side. Adapter just simply plugs in, back into the stock connector, push the lock back in, make sure that the light is oriented properly. Okay, I'm just going to quick turn them on to make sure that they're working properly. Low beam, high beam. Now to put the grill back in place, simply line up the clips down on the bottom, apply gentle pressure, everything snaps back in. And then all I have to do is drop my body clips back in. Lost one. There it is. Once the body clips are in, just line the center inserts back up. Snap into place. And the headlights are installed. Okay, I've installed the headlights and have hooked up the daytime running light feature. What I've done is, you can see this wire that comes here, tried to tuck it away. I've got the right side coming up here, run that over to the fuse block. In the fuse block, there was a fuse that was not being used for rear heated seats, so I simply bought a fuse tap, which is going to have a fuse spades that slide into my fuse block, a fuse to fuse the circuit. That simply just installs into the fuse block. I'm going to run the wire back out of the fuse block so I can close my fuses, and I have soldered the wires into the T-tap. So you can see what they look like without the daytime running light. And as soon as I start the vehicle, the daytime running light feature is on. Get a little bit better look, but you can see it illuminates in the top and the bottom, here and here, as the daytime running light.